Good morning, students. Yes, in chapter number 5, accounting ratios, today we will start the third category of the ratios, that is known as activity or turnover ratio. The third category is activity ratio, or we can say its other name is turnover ratio. Now, in turnover ratio, our first ratio is inventory turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio. Yes, this activity ratio, or we can say it turnover ratio. In this, our first ratio is inventory turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio equals to cost of revenue from operation, or we can say cost of goods sold upon average inventory. Cost of revenue from operation, or we can say cost of goods sold by average inventory upon average inventory. This is a formula for inventory turnover ratio, and this inventory turnover ratio is our first ratio under the category of activity ratios. Now see how we find cost of revenue from operation. The direct way of finding cost of revenue from operation, this is opening inventory plus purchases, opening inventory plus purchases plus direct expenses like wages and carriage inwards. Wages, carriage inwards, and minus closing inventory. Minus closing inventories. Now see the question first. Page 5.134 and question number 53. Question 53, page 5.134. Yes, in this question, it is given that calculate inventory turnover ratio from the following: opening inventory is 42,500, closing inventory 37,500, revenue from operations or sales, that is rupees 3 lakh, gross profit is 20% on cost. Students, how we find cost of revenue from operation? This is a formula for finding the cost of revenue from operation, but if purchases or direct expenses are not given, then how we can find cost of revenue from operation? On other side, revenue from operations means to say sales is given and profit on cost is given. Revenue from operation, or we can say sales, this is rupees, in this question revenue from operation or sales is rupees 3 lakh and profit is 20% on cost. And now how we find cost of revenue from operation? अगर हमें स्टूडेंट्स वेजेस, कैरेज इनवर्ड्स, डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस, परचेजेस given, then we can find cost of revenue from operation by this formula. Otherwise, if sales and profit is given, then we can find in this way: cost of revenue from operation equals to 3 lakh into 100 by 120. If profit is 30%, then 100 by 130. Profit is 40% on cost, then 100 by 140. In this way, we find cost of revenue from operation. That cost rupees comes rupees 2,50,000. 2,50,000. This is cost of revenue from operation, 2,50,000. Now come to the average inventory. Average inventory equals to opening inventory plus closing inventory by 2. Opening inventory is 42,500 given in the question, and closing inventory, that is 37,500. 42,500 opening plus 37,500 closing by 2, then we get the amount 80,000 by 2 means 40,000. So average inventory is 40,000 rupees. Now come to inventory turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio equals to cost of RFO, revenue from operation, by average inventory. Cost of revenue from operation is 2,50,000, and average inventory, this is 40,000. Now value comes 6.25 times. 6.25 times. This is inventory turnover ratio, 6.25 times. So this is our first ratio of activity ratios, that is known as inventory turnover ratio, and its formula is cost of revenue from operation by average inventory. If opening inventory, purchases, wages are given, then we find cost of revenue by this method, by this formula. If sales and profit is given, then we find cost of revenue in this way. So this is our first ratio under the category of inventory turnover ratio. That's all for today. Okay.